Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how many of the cracked seashell or wakame or whatever you use to upgrade your eco fish school that you'll need in Heartopia. So if you go to your Seamount home, you can go to eco fish school here. And basically one cracked seashell, one of anything equals to 5 of the points. I don't really know how to explain it. So right now, I will need around 800 of the cracked seashell or the materials to nourish the ocean. So because one is 5, so I'm just gonna get rid of my wakame. I feel like I have a lot of that anyways. And that's going to equal to a lot, like 2,000-ish, 2,500, I believe. I don't know, I can't really count, but I feel like that's the correct um answer for it. And then I'm also going to add more of the cracked seashell here. And let's see what we get after we nourish the waters. It does take a long time because we can't select all, unfortunately. So we're almost there. As you can see, I needed 800. So nourish waters. Ooh, okay. I got the shimmering one, the shimmering glow fish. Then after that, I will need to upgrade it again, and then I'll need the shells again, the materials again, to upgrade it even more. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.